Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Leili quiz. Get ready, today we have 6 questions. Which monster's voice? Let's go! Round 1, get ready. Okay, let's see if you can crack this one. Excellent work, it is Cho Cho Charles. Can you name the character? What do you think? Excellent work, it is Train Eater. Guess the next in line. I'm curious, who do you think this is? Brilliant answer, it is McQueen Eater. Can you recognize the character? Can you guess the character? Well done, it is McQueen Cyborg. Who is the next monster? Does this character look familiar to you? Great job, it is Boss Eater. Get ready, final round. Only a genius can get this one right. That's right, it is McQueen Spider. That's all guys, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.